In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Synthesia templates. By the end, you'll feel confident picking a template, customizing it with your own content, and setting the right voice and avatar for a polished video. Start by opening your browser and searching for Synthesia. Look for the official website and open it. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top navigation and click Log In. Sign into your account to access the dashboard. From the dashboard, click New Video. This is where the creation process begins. To speed things up and get a professional look right away, choose Start with a Template. Templates are designed with structure and visual flow in mind, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. You'll see a library of templates organized by use case. Browse categories like sales, training, or corporate, or use the search bar to find a specific style that matches your goal. When something catches your eye, click it to preview the layout and pacing. If it fits, click. Use Template to open it in the editor. Once the template loads, you'll be in the editor where you can replace the placeholder content with your own. On the canvas, click any text box or image to edit it. Update headlines, subheadings, and callouts so they reflect your message. If you have brand assets, upload your logo, or open the Media tab to find stock photos and icons that complement your story. Use the sizing, alignment, and color controls to maintain consistency with your brand. A quick tip here. Keep text concise and high contrast for readability, and let images support rather than crowd your message. At the bottom of each scene, you'll find the script area. Replace the placeholder text with your own narration. Write in a natural, conversational tone and break ideas into short, clear sentences. This helps the pacing feel smooth and keeps viewers engaged. If you're adapting an existing document, paste it in and adjust line breaks so each scene covers a single idea. To personalize delivery, click the avatar on the canvas to choose the on-screen presenter that best fits your audience and tone. Then, in the script box, click the voice name to pick a different accent or style. Match the voice to your message: friendly for onboarding, confident for executive updates, or energetic for announcements, so the final video feels intentional and on brand. That's it. You've searched, logged in, created a new video, selected a template, previewed it, and customized text, graphics, script, avatar, and voice to make it your own.